welcome to today's video. So today I'm going to be sharing some of my favorite copper peptide serums. I absolutely love this ingredient and I've been using it a lot lately, and I have seen great results with copper peptides. I can't believe it. You know, I used to use copper peptides several years ago, and then of course I started using other things, but lately I've been switching things up in my evening skincare routine and I have room for copper peptides now, and wow, what a difference this ingredient has made. So if you haven't seen my updated morning and evening skincare routines, I will leave them below for you in my description box as well as up here. And I also recently uploaded the skincare routine that I use when I'm incorporating copper peptides, which I will leave that video below for you as well. So let's get right into today's video. Let me show you my favorites, but don't forget to subscribe and ring that notification bell, and also don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up as well. So the first product is the Ordinary Buffet plus Copper Peptides 1%. This was actually the very first copper peptide that I ever introduced to my skin. I loved it so much that I continued on with it, and then of course I was starting to get into other types of products over the years. I forgot about copper peptides, and then here we are. I'm obsessed with copper peptides again, and now I have ventured out and I've tested some other ones, which is why I'm creating this video. But I started off with this, and I think that this is a great product to start off with because of course with the Ordinary, it's affordable. A lot of the products from the Ordinary are really effective. I am a big fan, of course, and I think that this is absolutely lovely. It has that nice texture, it's very thin, your skin does absorb it really nicely, and I have never experienced peeling with this either. So this one I believe is the most expensive product from the Ordinary, if I'm not mistaken. But I can understand why, because of that copper ingredient. I think this is around $33 Canadian now, which before I believe it was around $28 if I can remember correctly. I know their pricing changed a little bit, so I do believe it's around 33, but I mean that's still pretty affordable considering there are a lot of expensive products on the market, and there will be a couple in this video that are a little bit more expensive than the Ordinary. But if you're thinking about testing the waters with copper peptides, this is the one that I would start off with first. The next product is by Dermatology, and this is the Needleless Serum. I have tried this before and I really did like it. So not only does this contain copper peptides, but it also has other types of peptides as well: niacinamide, ceramides, and hyaluronic acid. This texture is very lovely as well. It does get quickly absorbed into the skin. It's very moisturizing as well. It's also very repairing. And I also find that if you have acne prone skin, this might be a lovely option because I do find that niacinamide really helps to control oil. It really helps to keep your acne at bay. And if you have any dark spots, then of course niacinamide can actually help to brighten that up as well. Now this formulation does not contain that blue hue, so it is a clear serum, but if you're a fan of the Dermatology brand, then perhaps you may really love this. I will be venturing out to pick this up again, especially once I'm done some of the products that I'm sharing in this video. This was really nice. The next product is by Biossance, and this is the Squalene plus Copper Peptide Rapid Plumping Serum. If you have dry skin, you are going to really love this, but this is honestly perfect for all skin types because this has a lightweight texture to it, and it's not heavy and it's not sticky on the skin either. So that squalene ingredient is very moisturizing, but this also contains hyaluronic acid as well as polyglutamic acid. Now I've talked about polyglutamic acid many times on my channel before. I actually use a separate polyglutamic acid product from the Inculist in my morning skincare routine because this is very similar to hyaluronic acid, but it holds on to 4 times more moisture than hyaluronic acid. So it's more plumping and more hydrating in my opinion, but this serum contains both along with copper peptides. So this has a nice texture. It's very similar to the You to the People, and this also has a light pale blue tone to it as well, and I highly recommend. This is lovely for both morning and evening, but this is also very lightweight if you decide to use it in your morning skincare routine. And the last product that I cannot recommend enough is by NIOD, and this is the Copper Amino White Slate Serum number 3. I have been using this for a very long time. I am the most consistent with this as well, and this is really effective. This is the one that gave my skin that nice firm, that soft feel and that brighter complexion. And this is also a product that I have used many times in my morning skincare routine, especially if I want to take a break from vitamin C, then I will incorporate copper peptides. But this is the one that I use the most at night when I'm not using prescription tretinoin. And I did feature this product in the skincare routine that I uploaded when I incorporate copper peptides. So again, I will link that video below for you so that you can see how this applies to the skin and what other products I use with it. But this one is very thin, like I said, so again, your skin really does absorb this nicely. And this also has a dark hue to it as well, which is nice. Now, I will tell you that the longer you have this serum opened, or let's say you purchased one and you had it sitting in your closet for a really long time and you open it up, if it has a dark hue to it, almost like a dark gray, that means it's no good. I have experienced that many times before, especially when I wasn't too consistent with this. When I went back to the serum to use it, it turned into a dark gray hue. And that just means the product is getting old, the air got at it, and it's just not good anymore. So I just opened up this bottle a few days ago. So this is the color that it should be when you first purchase it. And then again, as it ages, that color may darken over time. So the quicker you can use this product, as well as everything else that I shared in this video, the better, so that you can get the best potency from the product. But this is exceptional. It comes in two sizes, a 15 ml size and a 30 ml size, and this is by far one of the best in my opinion. And I do believe that this works better than the Ordinary Buffet plus copper peptides 1% in my opinion. So that is everything in today's video. Those are my go-to copper peptide serums at the moment. I really hope that you enjoyed it and that you found it helpful. And of course, I will link everything that I shared in this video below for you for your reference. Let me know if you guys are using copper peptides, and if so, what brands and products are you guys using? Let's get a conversation going in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. And of course, I will see you all in the next video. So take care, and I will see you guys then. Bye guys.